Traveling with your baby can feel like an adventure, and sometimes a little bit of chaos too. Between packing bags, catching flights, and trying to keep your little one happy, it's easy to worry, how am I going to manage breastfeeding on the go? Take a deep breath, mama. You've got this. Today, I'm here to walk you through how you can manage breastfeeding while traveling without the stress, without the tears, and with a lot more confidence. Whether you're driving to see family or hopping on a plane for the first time since your baby was born, these gentle, realistic ideas will make your journey so much easier. When it comes to travel, planning is everything. Try to time your feeds around your travel schedule. If you're flying, nurse your baby during takeoff and landing. That gentle sucking helps relieve ear pressure and keeps your little one calm. And if you're driving, plan short breaks every couple of hours. Feed, change the diaper, stretch, breathe. When you move at your baby's rhythm, everything, including your mood, feels more balanced. Here's a secret every traveling mom swears by: the breastfeeding travel kit. Think of it as your little bag of peace. Inside, pack your nursing cover or light scarf, burp cloths, nursing pads, sanitizer, and wipes. If you pump, a small cooler with ice packs helps keep milk safe. And don't forget yourself. Keep water, snacks, maybe a granola bar or some almonds. You can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself keeps your milk and your spirit flowing. Comfort is your best travel companion. Wear clothes that let you breathe and feed easily. Soft tops, stretchable fabrics, and nursing bras you can open with one hand if needed. Layers help you adapt to different temperatures. When you feel comfortable, feeding your baby anywhere, plane, park, or rest stop, becomes natural and easy. Now, let's talk about something that makes many new moms a bit nervous: breastfeeding in public. Mama, breastfeeding is natural. It's your right. You're nourishing your baby, and there's nothing to feel shy about. Still, that first time can feel awkward. So practice at home using a cover or nursing wrap. Once you get used to it, you'll feed confidently anywhere. Confidence grows the more you practice. If you're a pumping mom, planning helps a lot. Most airlines allow breast pumps as medical devices, so they don't count against your baggage limit. Pack a portable pump, extra milk storage bags, and a small cooler. And here's some good news. Breast milk is exempt from airport liquid restrictions. Just let the security officer know politely, and you'll be good to go. Your baby's food is precious and completely allowed. Breastfeeding takes energy, and traveling burns even more. So keep your water bottle close and munch on healthy snacks whenever you can. Staying hydrated and nourished keeps your milk steady and your energy strong. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's self-care, and your baby benefits from it too. Wherever you go, look for mom-friendly spaces. Many airports, malls, and train stations now offer nursing rooms or quiet lounges. You can even use apps like Mamava or Mom's Pump Here to find a cozy spot nearby. A calm, private space can make a big difference, especially if your baby gets easily distracted. If your trip is long, don't worry about your milk supply. If your baby naps for hours or you're separated for a bit, just express or pump to keep things flowing. Even a few minutes of pumping helps prevent discomfort and tells your body to keep producing milk. Try to keep a sense of routine. Babies love what feels familiar. Use the same feeding positions, your same soft voice, or that cozy blanket your baby loves. Those little comforts tell your baby, even though we're in a new place, mama's right here. And finally, go easy on yourself. Travel rarely goes perfectly. Flights get delayed, babies get fussy, milk spills. It's okay. No one expects perfection. Least of all, your baby. They just need you, your warmth, your calm, your love. You're doing so much better than you think. So take a deep breath, smile through the chaos, and remember, you've got this. With a little planning, a lot of patience, and a touch of humor, breastfeeding while traveling can actually become one of your sweetest memories. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real mom advice on breastfeeding, baby care, and postpartum wellness. And tell me in the comments, what's your best tip for breastfeeding while traveling? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, Mama. Safe travels and happy feeding.